Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Kom and thank you so much for tuning in. So for today's video, I am going to be showing you all some amazing oversized t-shirt collection. You guys have been asking me to do oversized collection for a while now and I do read your comments. So comment karke batana ki next what do you guys want to see, and I'm very excited because I have ordered a lot of oversized t-shirts and I also have one cord set and one dress. मैं वो भी दिखाऊंगी आप लोगों को and I am so excited for this video. The sale is live, so just go and grab it. अगर आपको कुछ भी अच्छा लगा तो I will be linking everything in my comment section and also in my description box, so definitely go and check it out. क्योंकि ना मैंने इतने अच्छे प्राइस में लिया है. I got it for like 399 rupees ऐसा, so it's a very good deal. तो I will recommend you all कि if you guys like it anything, just go and grab it before it gets out of stock, and I am looking so forward to it. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start with the cord set because it is such a good one. मैंने बिल्कुल भी expect नहीं किया था कि अच्छा आएगा. I swear, okay, मैंने ना ऐसे ही हवा में order किया था because the color looked so pretty to me, but the quality is amazing and I got it only for I think 599 rupees, which is amazing for cord set, right? क्योंकि you're getting two piece with it. And let me show you all इसका color कैसा है and also the quality. I'll show you all everything. Okay, so it looks like this. This is the pant and this is the shirt. And it is so pretty, guys. The quality is so amazing. It's like so premium, so I would highly recommend you all. Let me show you all the pant. Okay, pehle look at the rubber, guys. It's like so good, like literally very premium, and also the quality is amazing. I would love to wear this out, you know. मैंने ना ये order किया था so that I can use it while I'm at home ऐसा, and like a night suit, let's say. But look at the quality, guys. It's so good. I have one, you know, from Urbanic. वैसा ही quality में है, but the price it is just for 599 rupees. It has this very pretty सा texture, but अंदर में ना again it has like this वाला clothing which feels very light, and the quality is so good, guys. I can't believe that I got this for 599 rupees. I have recommended it to my friends also, so you guys also can go and check it out. और ये पैंट का जो फिटिंग है ना, it's so perfect. Like you guys can see me doing the try on. अब जो ये try on video देख रहे हो ना, that one I filmed when I just received it without any expectations, so you guys can see me how happy I'm looking. It is so good, so मैं तो जेन्युइनली रिकमेंड करूँगी. ये जो पैंट है ना, आई कैन स्टाइल इट विद एनी अदर टॉप एंड इट विल लुक सो गुड. लाइक it's so good. I can't stop talking about this pant, and quality तो बहुत ज़्यादा सही है. So अगर आपको ये अच्छा लगा then you can go and grab it. So pant fits me perfectly, okay. And here I have the shirt. This also fits me perfectly, but you guys know I love oversized है ना. तो मेरे को ना ये थोड़ा सा oversized में चाहिए था, but it's fine क्योंकि अगर मैं ये और बड़ा size में लेता तो पैंट मेरे को fit नहीं होता और shirt would be like oversized. I am very happy with my purchase and I will highly recommend you all. You guys can also go and check it out. I will link it in my description box. Moving on to my next one, I do have a bra to show you all, and it is from a very good brand. The name is Clovia. So the bra looks like this. So the reason I got this is because Clovia is a good brand, और मैंने जैसे देखा कि इसका प्राइस only 259 है, तो I went crazy, guys. So I wanted to, you know, like check it out and see कि इसका fitting कैसा होगा and कैसा होगा overall product. So I got it only for 259 and I got it in 32B, which I think is my perfect size. या शायद से मेरे को इससे एक size बड़ा लेने से भी I think it would have fitted me like perfectly. This also fits me, but it's like थोड़ा सा tight, not that tight. How do I explain it? I mean, like it's perfectly fitting wala fitting, but you guys can go and check out your own size, right? Also, another reason why I got this one is because it has like V neckline, which I feel like लड़कियों का top में ना बहुत ज़्यादा काम आता है, and there are days when I'm looking for this kind of bra in like black color. So I got this one and it looks exactly the same, guys. Look at the quality. The quality is really good and it is so soft. I really liked it. I would highly recommend you all. If you guys are looking for this kind of bra in good quality and good brand, then definitely go and check out this one. You won't regret it because it is so good. I can literally, you know, like say it by touching only कि this is from a good brand. The quality is amazing and I'm so happy that I got this one, and definitely I am going to purchase more in future. And मेरे को पता नहीं था कि bra इतना ज़्यादा affordable हो गया है. Like 259 rupees में you're getting a very good bra from a very good brand. it's like so nice. It's still deal guys, so definitely go and check that out. जब भी मैं Amazon से oversize t-shirt मंगवाती हूँ I stay so relaxed क्योंकि मेरे को पता होता है कि क्वालिटी अच्छा ही आने वाला है. अभी तक ना मैंने इतना सारा oversize t-shirt ऑर्डर किया है Amazon से, so I mean like I'm pro at you know finding out कि कौन सा t-shirt अच्छा क्वालिटी का होगा, कौन सा नहीं होगा and all. And trust me, I have become so pro at it. एंड जो भी आप लोग मेरे को ऐसा ओवरसाइज टी शर्ट पहनते हुए देखते हैं ना, वो सब मैंने अमेज़ोन से ही लिया है. लाइक 90%, 90 नहीं 95% ऑफ माई टी शर्ट्स एंड clothes are from Amazon only. So here is the first one, and this one gives me very stay over वाला vibe because it has this tequila का print here और पीछे में लिखा है बहुत सुंदर से tequila. If you guys like ऐसा printed वाला t-shirt, then I think this one is for you all. It is so good. Like look at the color combo guys. White हो गया and then red हो गया, yellow हो गया, green हो गया. It's like vibing so well. I'm really liking this one. So I got this you know because of the print only, क्योंकि मेरे को print बहुत ज़्यादा सही लगा. Quality is amazing. I got this in L size, so this is like very oversized to me, as you guys can see the fitting. But I love it, and you guys know I love oversized so much, so I'm not complaining. Quality is really good and it's very breathable. But ये जो t-shirt है ना, I feel like this is थोड़ा सा see through. You guys can see me doing the try on, तो आपको पता चल जाएगा. But yeah, I don't have a problem with it, and I'm very happy with my purchase. The print is so nice. Like look at this guys, इतना अच्छा सा ऐसा pop up हो रहा है. And I got this for 379 rupees, and this is in L size. I'm so happy with my purchase. Moving on to my next one, I do have a t-shirt from my favorite brand from Amazon, that is Junberry, and the quality of their t-shirts are amazing. Like I love their collection also. Quality बहुत ज़्यादा सही होता है, and it looks like this. And also guys, it's very affordable. I got this one for 349 rupees, and look at the print guys, black white. I really like the print, and it's like you know I think it's unisex क्योंकि लड़का भी पहन ही सकते. I'm sure बहुत लोग ऐसा black color नहीं पहनता होगा समर में, but the print is so nice that I wanted to get one, and it's amazing guys. Look at the color combo, it's like so good, and I definitely see myself wearing a lot. Quality is really nice, and I got this in M size. Junberry का qualities are so good, so if you like any of their t-shirts, just go and grab it क्योंकि I'm so sure कि आपको पसंद आएगा ही आएगा. Quality का तो चिंता ही मत करो because their quality is amazing. I will be linking more t-shirts in my description box which I have from last year या last year ऐसा जो मैं अभी भी पहनती हूँ, which you guys keep seeing me wearing. मैं वो सब ऐसा description में डाल दूँगी, so you guys can go and check it out. क्योंकि I still wear my oversized t-shirts that I got from like last 2 years. क्वालिटी इज़ अमेजिंग ओके, इसलिए मेरे को अच्छा लगता है, एंड इट्स वेरी कंफर्टेबल ऑल्सो. और ये जो टी शर्ट है ना, इसका क्वालिटी एकदम प्रीमियम है. लाइक not gonna lie, it's like H&M, Zara वाला क्वालिटी ही है. I wish you could, you know, feel it. Moving on to my next one. Again, this is from the brand Junberry. I don't have any like t-shirt like this. ऐसा print में भी नहीं है और ऐसा color में भी नहीं है, तो I wanted to get it. It is in white color, but it also has blue in it, and it looks like this. I don't have anything like this, so I wanted to get this one क्योंकि this one looked so playful to me. Like it has emojis, the color and everything. मतलब थोड़ा बहुत you're getting it like थोड़ा बच्चा वाला print लगा मेरे को. That's why I got this one, and it's very cute guys. Like look at the print. So this one I got in L size, that is large size, right? So I usually wear M in Junberry का, but this time I got L size में क्योंकि I wanted to get this one so that I can wear it in my room ऐसा, because most of the time I am wearing oversized t-shirt only मेरे room में. So yeah, I got this one, but this one is like too oversized, which I'm not complaining because I love it, and I got this one to wear it ऐसा घर के अंदर में ही. Quality is amazing, fits me amazingly, but it will be oversized, so all I want to say is like just get it in your own size. I did get in L size. Moving on to my next one and the last one, I do have 4 t-shirts combo guys. So I got this from this brand Sleepy Nuts, and I got this 4 guys. The color looked so nice to me, and I got this as a basic wala t-shirt na, and I got it only for, I think I got it for like 899 rupees, but अभी इसका प्राइस बढ़ गया है. That is 1275 rupees, but ना 1275 में you are going to be getting like 4 t-shirts. Okay, I know there are people who likes to wear only plain t-shirts without any prints, like very minimal ऐसा. Not everyone loves to wear ऐसा printed t-shirts, right? So yeah, I got this combo of 4 t-shirts, and it looked amazing to me. The color looked so perfect, so I just wanted to order it. And there are more colors available. Okay, the colors are so good. Oh my god, let me show you all few more colors. अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसा बेसिक पसंद है, then you guys can go and check out this one. But there are more. Okay, this one is also basic but looks nice to me. एंड आई फील लाइक हमारे मम्मी लोग जो है उन लोगों को इतना प्रिंटेड वाला टी शर्ट ऑब्वियसली इतना अच्छा नहीं लगता है. सो यू गाइस कैन गो एंड चेक आउट दिस टी शर्ट्स क्योंकि ना द क्वालिटी इज़ अमेजिंग. इट इज़ सो सॉफ्ट एंड लेट मी शो यू ऑल वन बाय वन. सो दिस आर द टी शर्ट्स. आई जस्ट डिड अ ट्राई ऑन, सो दैट्स वाई it's all messed up, but yeah, these are the colors, guys. Here I have in blue color. This one looks too bright on camera, but itna bhi bright nahi hai. Here I have purple color, and here is the gray one, and here is the pink one. The colors are so pretty, and I can just wear it and go grab a cup of coffee and work या chill ऐसा कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ ये t-shirt पहन के. Look at the color, guys. Like I can make it wear in a dressy way also, and I can make it like very casual way also क्योंकि look at the color, guys. Like it's so playful, so nice. So the t-shirt looks like this, and this is the material, guys. Very 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 soft. I wish you all could touch it, guys, क्योंकि ना this is very 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 soft. एंड या आई लव इट, गाइज. एंड आई फील लाइक ये ना ऐसा वर्कआउट करते वक्त या ऐसा वॉक जाते वक्त इट विल बी परफेक्ट बिकॉज इट्स वेरी सॉफ्ट और स्किन में बिल्कुल भी ऐसा इचिंग फीलिंग नहीं देगा आपको, विच इज़ अ गुड थिंग. सो जस्ट गो एंड ग्रैब इट. अगर आपको अच्छा लगा तो देयर आर मोर कलर कॉम्बोस अवेलेबल, सो डेफिनेटली गो एंड चेक इट आउट. आई होप यू गाइस विल लाइक इट. हियर्स अनदर वन विच आई गॉट ड्यूरिंग विंटर्स, बट मैंने ये रिसेंटली पहना था. सो अ लॉट ऑफ यू गाइस वर आस्किंग कि वेयर इज़ माई टी शर्ट फ्रॉम. सो दिस इज़ फ्रॉम द ब्रांड द सोल स्टोर. दिस इज़ फॉर 890 रुपीज़. 890 में you're getting one. आगे वाला था 890 में 4. So you guys can just think about it and go and grab it for yourself जो आपको अच्छा लगता है. इसका भी क्वालिटी बहुत ज़्यादा सही है क्योंकि this is from a very premium brand. Amazing, and this one also fits me just like this all. like इसका जैसे फिटिंग है वैसा ही फिटिंग है. not that loose, not that tight, एकदम परफेक्ट वाला. सो या विद दैट वी आर डन विद दिस हॉल वीडियो, एंड आई रियली होप कि आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा देन डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब, एंड I will see you all very soon with my next video with some girly tops. And I am so excited because I'm sure you guys are thinking कि गोम ये जो आप पहन रहे हो ये कहाँ से है. This is also from Amazon, and I will show you all this one and more in my next videos. So I'll see you all very soon. Bye guys, take care, and I will be linking everything in my description box, तो जाके बिल्कुल से check out कर लेना. Bye.